everybody, it's Anne here from positivelypapercraft.co.uk, and I'm back with the part 3 of my embellishment series. And as you can see, I've been really busy and I've been making these gorgeous little paper clips, and this was the paper that I showed you on the haul that I got from AliExpress with the cute little bunnies and llamas and stuff. So I put some Wink of Stella on as well, and that's just a little bunny. Then there was a little small bunny, and also a cute little llama. So I made quite a few of them. And then I also found this paper pack that I had of the Meet a You bears, and I think I've had that for quite a while just lying around, so I thought they would be like sweet little Christmas ones. And they're really easy to do, and what I used was, because I wanted them to look like a little stamp, and the die that I used is this set here, and that one is the smallest one, and then I used the next size. You can see they go huge, and I didn't buy these. Steph sent me these, which is Effie Ann cards, and I'm not sure where she got them from, but I think I've seen them around. I think I've seen them on AliExpress and stuff, but I really like them. But if you haven't got a die like that, you could just cut a piece of card or cut the paper and use some like pink and shears or something like that, or a die, any kind. And then I also made a couple with the new tool that I got, so they're really sweet. So we're going to make some of them, and I've also been making some of these ones with like the ribbon on, so they're really easy to do as well, but they just look so nice. I made quite a lot of them as well. So we're going to do a one of each of all the ones that I made. So we're going to do one of the little postage stamp ones, well, the larger postage stamp. So I've cut one out with the paper and one out with thick Whisper White, because they're really thick as well, they're really sturdy. And I've got a 3/4 of an inch circle punch, because I'm going to use this for the back, just to hide the glue and stuff. So I've got glue gun. I got this Bosch glue gun, and it's amazing. Much better than those little ones like I've been using. They just seem to break all the time. So I'm going to glue the back on just with some glue. And then just glue that onto the back of the paper. And just get that straightened up. Really sweet them. And then I have got some large paper clips. These ones measure, if I could find a ruler I would measure them for you. Here we go, bigger one here. These are roughly 2 inches long. And then you want to make sure you glue it on the single way, not the double way, like there's 2 there. You need that to be at the bottom so you can clip it on your paper. And then I'm just going to put a blob of glue just roughly there, and then just pop the paper clip in. And then I'm just going to take the little circle and just put that on the top. Ow, this is a really hot. I really burnt my finger as well before. I dropped this and I went to pick it up, but then I picked it up with the red hot glue. It's really sore. And that's it. It's so easy, and you can put some Wink of Stella on or whatever you want to put on. Now the ribbon ones, I've got 2 pieces of ribbon and they measure 7 inches, but that's probably too long. You can cut it down to about 4.5 inches will do. So I'm just going to cut it down to that. And then I'm going to take another clip. Again, just the single piece of the clip. And then just take the ribbon. You can just use 1 piece as well if you want. And then I'm just going to lie it underneath so the clip's on the top, and then I'm just going to fold it round. No, I've went the wrong way. No, have it on the top so it's on the top of the clip. Is that right or not? I've made loads. Do you think I would remember? Yeah, that's right. And then just pull them through. All right. Probably haven't picked the thinnest of ribbon to show you these. Tell you what, we'll just do it with 1 just while I show you. So have it over your clip, bend it round and just slot it through there. Do the same with this way, bend it round and just pull it through, and you will end up with that, okay? And then what I do is just keep a hold of it and then just hold them back, and then this little bit here I just put a little bit of glue in there. You only need a little bit. And then I just take the 2 ends and just pull it up and just hold it until the glue sets. Alright, and then if you turn it round, you'll see you can move that there. So what I do is I just move it down a little bit, just put some glue just along the top of the paper clip. And then if you just pull it up tight and hold it, it will stick to the clip. So you know that the ribbon isn't going to come off. There we go. And then you can just trim it to however long you want it. There we go. You can use up little scraps of your ribbon to make them, and they're really sweet. You can even use the smaller clips if you wanted to as well. So the tulle, that was the one that I got from Printable Heaven, and these ones I've been getting from AliExpress. They're just, I think they're like £1 and you get a huge roll. So what I've done is I've cut some of the pink, and I've got, well, it's probably about, oh goodness, 12, about 20 inches long, and it's about 2.5 inches wide. And then I'm also going to cut just a little scrap off another piece just to tie the bow together. So if you take your tool, and then I'm just going to wrap it round my hand. Just do like 3 fingers. Okay, just keep wrapping it round. Alright, and then you can just slide it off. Okay, and it's still a little bit like wide, so I'm going to cut it down to about, well, just over 2 inches. Sorry, it's 2.5 inches this way. You don't want it too wide. And the closed sides are there. So then I'm going to take some of this, the scrappy piece, and I'm just going to tie it in the middle. And as you can see, it just makes the most sweetest little bow, and they're so easy to do. So just pull that tight, and then I'm going to make a double knot. Tight again, and then just snip these off. How gorgeous is that? And then I've got another clip. So I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue on the back, and what I've done as well is I cut out 2 little glitter hearts, because those ones I just used the 1/2 inch circle punch and just punched out some silver glimmer. This one I've just used a heart, and they're going to go in the middle of the little paper clip. So I'm going to pop some glue on, just a little dollop in the middle. Remember to put the clip the right way. Right, just press that down for a little bit. And then I'm going to put the pink heart over the top. Just press that down. And then turn it round. And then I want another heart over this one, so I'm just going to put some glue on the heart, and then just pop that over the other one, so it hides all the little glue and the bits, plus it looks really pretty. Just hold it down till it's set. And you'll get bits of glue off there. And there we go. They are just so sweet and so easy to make. So there we go. There's another little embellishment tutorial. There's all the little ones that I've been making. So I hope you've enjoyed it. It's given you some more ideas and inspiration. I mean, you could make quite a few of these and like package them up really nice, and I think they would sell you know, at craft fairs and stuff, because they are really sweet. If you can see the sparkle on that one, yeah. So yeah, there you go. I'll be back again soon with another tutorial. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.